For the past 10 hours, the Kofi Kinaata one night, they was what that say. Say near war reacting upon reactions, any internet. So about 9 hours ago, I know swap from my Kofi Kinaata say, "Mammy, Abraham, yeah, no 2 force with team." So, hey, if you say, "Obo bra pa na say what do I not to be a same moon pokrano a reward medipado." So here, this is Kofi Kinaata about 9 hours ago, calling her mother, say, "Auntie May, I have made it. I was why because Otumfuo and so abodidi. Anyway, see why currently as I'm talking to you, I'm out Deborah, and so I'll be making reaction based on a 22-minute ago video of Kofi Kinaata. How should I am Deborah? I'll say, I hope I saw 24/7, and I'm not sure, and I'm sure say I could mistake I could 24/4. Our team said, Lord, I was laughing out loud like or said the ding what being a new hey, Kofi Kinaata. Hey, day after Otumfuo mentioned his name in a speech. That is Deborah. Now this video we're gonna watch it, but before no me catch or say Otumfuo speech, you back here 12 minutes length of a speech in the moon no a very interesting. Otumfuo pointed on even the election and how he wished saying both MPP and Nisi Baba and him. Now I'm talking about peace, but parties no back up and but how no Otumfuo stretchy conversation very much or cutting a short and jumping into a Galamsey in summer Koso and Ghana. Very interesting conversation. I may say how said there is this interesting video circulating all over the internet from Akyem Asuom says na nanu mo ho no ne de says na na wo krom ho no woni youth omo bovra nwura ma Galamsey for and ye omo to omo kanom say na nanu na eba no na nanu bo adwuma wo Akyem Asuom to the extent say Galamsey for na aduane e hija so mpo mutimi ja ho because of say na nanu enso ebebo awura wa say na adwuma odi bedi omo they know what the record has been set there. If I could hear that 2-minute video no after Kofi Kinaata's video, then we jump into Otumfuo's 12-minute length a video, very interesting punches. If you are the Akabiana when you can media twamoso chichi mu ne ma ne papa ma bro fo no before masum kakra ti no summarize bi kakra bia chichi mu twi e wo video reto ye bo na me cows say na e dey ka ba do not forget so be subscribe to this channel send be a video dey to ma dey bia be the first person I won say betimi akabiti no abo homodin so subscribe you I don't say be adoma ne so I know what you do all na ma adoma ne so dey video ni to ma phone no enso betimi akato say upload the video bra ne be hwe bi me mo rem hear all the trending issues I will fit Ghana.
Otumfuo mentioned your name before. You know Otumfuo.
Kofi Menko, Saboshe, Kofi wo.
Samani fono. Ya nhwe ho asem anka. Ye besi wa kromo ha no anya papa.
You don't not blast it. But before you
Fettel. Zoom. Thank you, Yao, for your sterling leadership and for being a credit to the Ashanti Bar. We will continue to draw on your energy, insight, and your devotion to both your profession and your people. Whoever has the honor of taking the baton from you can be assured of our continued support and our unwavering commitment to the rule of law and the administration of justice. Zoom. It has always been such a great pleasure for Asantehene to welcome learned brothers and sisters to Kumasi. We like to think that Kumasi has become the second home for the bar and for the administration of justice. Zoom. We not only try to provide a welcome space for professional practice, but a congenial environment for the unfettered dispensation of justice. Zoom. Most important, we continue to demonstrate how traditional adjudication enhances delivery of justice. We recall with pride that legal luminaries and legends like Dr. K1ng Taylor, Archie Casley Hayford, Hayfrom Benjamin, Joe Randolph, D.F. Annan once formed the core of the Ashanti Bar. Zoom. Working in harmony with colleagues like Toto, Frank Mensah-Bonsu, Victor Usu, Kofi Saki, Akyem Asuom, and my son Arnold, now ennobled as hene, Zoom, who ran the famous practice of former British firm of J.J. Pillay. Poignantly, the Asantehene, that's my uncle, for example, himself had been served by such eminent solicitors as B.E. Tamaklo. I had the honor of being served by Papa Datsun late, and I still have some other advisors in the person of Mujib and others who are all serving me and advising me on various issues. Zoom. It speaks to our unwavering commitment to national cohesion and above all to justice without strings. Zoom. As the seat of traditional governance, we are pleased to observe the growing acknowledgement of the role of traditional adjudication, not as an appendage, but as an integral part of the administration of justice in the country. Zoom. I believe this to be the clear intent of the Constitution of the Republic when it entrenches the institution of chieftaincy, together with all its traditional councils as established by customary law and usage, is hereby guaranteed. Zoom. I believe we only strengthen the constitutional order when we enhance the capacity of traditional authorities to absorb with due competence and equity the load of litigation that will otherwise clog the course. Zoom. This morning, Her Ladyship, the Chief Justice, gave us a picture of the giant strides being made in the administration of justice. For the first time, it has not been a demand to meet deficits of infrastructure, but an acknowledgement that the country is meeting the needs of the judicial service. What the nation needs now is to address the trust deficit fueled largely by the persistent political assault on the integrity and independence of the judiciary. Zoom. You know better than I that the law operates within a social context and is shaped by the political values of the time. Somebody would always be responsible for the appointment of justices, but the oath the judge swears is never to be to the individual who appointed them, but the constitution of the land. Zoom. Once enrobed, his or her duty is to interpret the laws without fear or favor, affection or ill will. The evidence I see from the judicial service is that no stone is being left unturned to enhance its capacity to deliver justice without fear or favor, affection or ill will. Zoom. My earnest plea to the people of Ghana, especially our political leaders, journalists, social commentators and civil society advocates, is to think deeply before denigrating the system. We have a judiciary that may not be perfect, but it deserves credit for the positive efforts. I can think of many countries which look at Ghana and concede. Sometimes listen to the wisdom of our musicians and reflect on a piece like Kofi Kinaata's Obi Nyawaye, or listen to what my minstrels stand by me are saying. Obi Nyasebi and Kobeyebi. Let us try to accentuate the positive and give the noblemen and women we have ennobled in the judiciary the space and the impetus to stand up and be counted. It is right that you have devoted this year's conference to the upcoming presidential and parliamentary elections. Here, once again, the destiny of Ghana is at stake. It is not only the people of Ghana who are looking forward with considerable trepidation for the forthcoming elections. The international community is on tenterhooks, wondering if this oasis of peace in the turbulent ocean around us can be sustained. The issue for many is not who wins, but whether the conduct of the elections will be fair and will deliver a peaceful outcome. For my part, I remain pretty sanguine about the outcome of the for two main reasons. Ghanaians have arrived where we are, not by accident, but through the force of history. In our first quarter of a century of existence as an independent nation, we had tried almost every system of governance conceived by man. We've had a one-party state, we've had military rule of 3 different types, and we have experienced democracy with the power of the people to choose their government through the ballot box. However discreditable one may think of the people, I can see no circumstances in which Ghanaians will sacrifice the freedom of today, the prospect of changing their government by power of the thumb, for any other alternative. Secondly, however much one may distract the individuals in charge of the electoral process at any given time, it has been demonstrated that changes will occur in spite of the individual operatives. The evidence of our history is that the system does produce the outcome that reflects the voice of the people, and we remain ready, as always, to play our part to protect the integrity of the process when the need arises. So here again, I will appeal for a lowering of mistrust. Heightened vigilance is of course necessary, but we need to restore confidence between contesting political parties and candidates in the Electoral Commission. Would it not have been a good idea to have invited the candidates of the 2 major political parties to this conference to seek their commitment to the nation on the pursuit of peaceful campaign and the use of due process for the resolution of any unforeseen incidents? Finally, I congratulate you, your president, for his courageous comments on Galamsey this morning. Galamsey is an environmental enemy for the nation. What could be more serious for any people than to have the entire water supply system at risk? I think as lawyers you should find space during this conference to set up a panel to undertake a quick tour of the communities where this scourge is most prevalent, to see the extent of the crisis we face and hopefully deliberate on how the law should respond. As I see it, if an individual poisons the water supply of a community, he will be liable for severe consequences under the law. What does the law do when one pours mercury into the same water supply, knowing fully well it can kill? This issue now requires the collective effort of all sections of society. To do nothing is no longer an option. The Bar Association, the Medical Association, and the universities, in particular my university, should get together and carve a new path to deal with this emergency. Yesterday, whilst I was driving, going to Cape Coast, I stopped over at the River Pra, and it was, I'm afraid I have to tell you that what I saw, the river, it was so embarrassing. And then if as a nation we live for this to happen to us, I don't know. We have to fight this.
Zoom.
No matter what, we have to do that.
Zoom.
Obo the judicial system no abaso enso ewie ne Otumfuo e de foto enso ema wo mo se adwuma no mo ye no mo kan hu se enye nipa enso ana de adwuma ema mo nemu according to the constitution emra no a ana twisi hia wo mo dwumadie no ana nam so a ama mo so etimi yi wo mo so meda Ghana so na wo mo hwe emra na bibia so entumi enye kama wie ye no no tisi politicians any the journalists enso eso se ya wo mo ntusun complaining about say the Ghana judicial system ne se emra ni wo man nim ni ade ade so no man ya na cause ni nyina enso ntimi mboa Ghana ema ahoma monsam no enye kama eho no Otumfuo to so chere mu say there are a lot of countries Ghana they've considered so munya to say the Ghana cost na nkomo pepa eho no chere mu in the local dialect say any nyama ye enso kasa sabre some countries in Africa do man no genya Ghana ye nya Ghana ye it na journalists any politicians so mun susun kan sema any kwan so mo kan enso efa Ghana judicial system no eho o we no chere mu say Ghana the nyansa ho pa the nyansa ho do a ewo Ghana bi ewo anyomtifo bi to say Kofi Kinaata mu as to tie ne nyom pa to say Kofi Kinaata anyom ni nyansa so the songs are full of wisdom and you yi ba ko 30 and so eto hodom and that is obi enyawaye I obi nyawayo I obi de so chen wo de we as obi nyawaye that is Kofi Kinaata song no Otumfuo e de chie mu say I obi enyawaye ti mom ye ni so e de Ghana ye so ye wo after this wonderful credit to Kofi Kinaata no jump into election December election no say nkonya above the two major political parties no Ghana no say nkomu jana ni manaju no anka they can talk about peace but ni nyina mu no amba sa straight up and no jump into Galamsey di Galamsey ho nkomo chie mu so no Otumfuo de obetimi aye bi obeye ameki say Galamsey to enso betimi atwa e wo Ghana we din nsem ni mu tofa ana mu nua Ken mabomu enso ache me bedi nkra do not forget to share this video na unu ebi so sanka bi I do not be self say wo nkwa beti ma unu ebi so sanka nsem Otumfuo e de to dwe especially mu ncheche mu amedi to justice here obodo ho modin bi ase e ba Galamsey a ni obetu ase me bedi nkra me di the kid in case of any update best share on the same channel. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video.
K1ng oh boy Juma we did the Jacob so now see commentary or social media no style of blogging fantastic so you see commentary news in the bar so you see commentary for we so good keep on going
and the star also the ebema other tribe aflow unyi sorted India temni basa bekano it's so painful I know shit I don't know say commentary like or you as a presenter sports presenter that they are and maybe I will question free a bit it's all good oh yeah the K1ng Ghana will try pa